40th problem, a hexagonal lemma of side 25 mm. 25 mm side is there and it is resting on one of its edges. So edge should be left side of the XY line, resting on edge, and it is on HP. It is resting on horizontal plane and one of its edges 25 mm. It is edge resting. So now a hexagonal lemma is there and the lemma makes an angle of 45 degree to HP. HP angle you have to take when it is resting on HP and you have to draw in VP. And this is the third, makes an angle of 30 degree to VP. The third position, that is side is inclined in the third position. Now we will construct a hexagonal with 25 mm side. I have taken 25 mm here. Already I have taken 25 mm side. Now, so this will call it as a, because it is resting on one of its edge. So because of that, edge should be left side of the XY line. Now we will take angle. So inside angle of the hexagonal lemma is inside angle of the hexagonal lemma is 120. So we'll take 120 here on either side. And then we'll extend these lines till required, not more than that. And then we'll extend this side. Then we'll cut it by 25 mm and I will take 90 degree from this side. One more angle I will take. So this is how you have to construct the hexagonal, very easiest way. There are many other way to construct. So we'll take 90 degree here. So we'll tell why this 90 degree should take. Then just we'll extend these lines. So we'll take 25 mm side first. I have taken. Now we'll cut this length by 25 on either side. Right. Now once again from that point we'll cut this 90 degree line. On either side I have to cut. Right. Now we got all the points here. That's why I have to take 90 degree. From this point you have to take 90 degree. From this point if you cut another point you will get. Because of that you have to take 90 degree from both the point. And inside angle is 120 degree. Outside angle is 60 degree. Total 180 degree. Now this point is called as C, D, E and F. Now we'll join all the points with the dark line. Then join D to C, D to E. Then join A to F. Then join D to C. So this is how to construct a hexagonal lamina which is resting on one of its side. Now we will draw projectors. Next from C point and F point are intersecting each other. So one more. Then D point and E points. And give the arrow marks for that. So these projector lines should be thin. And only you have to make the plane and lamina dark. When you are viewing from this side, B is visible, A is not visible. So B dash outside, A dash is inside. C is visible, F is not visible, and D is visible, E is not visible. The first position is yours. Second position, it is resting on HP, means HP angle you have to take, that is 45 degree to HP, but you have to draw in vertical plane. So take 45 degree line. We'll mark a point here and we'll take 45 degree from this point. So 45 degree and join these 2 points. With thin line you have to join, and this point is called as B dash, A dash, and other points you have to cut by taking the distances. So now I have taken the distance of B dash, A dash to D dash, E dash. By keeping it B dash, A dash point, I will cut this line, 45 degree line, and we will get D dash, E dash point. So this is 45 degree line, and then the other distance we have to take from C dash, F dash to this. Cut it by any side because both are having the same size, same length. So we'll get C dash, F dash here. Only we'll dark that part. Right, that is the lamina which is inclined 45 degree. This lamina is inclined 45 degree with HP, but we have to draw in VP. Now we'll draw the projectors. Now from these 2 points, and then we'll move on to C and F. And then D and E. And give arrow mark for all those projectors which are drawing from top to bottom. Now we'll draw horizontal projectors. For F point, and then for E and A points, for B and D points, then for C point. Now we got all the points. We'll write it. A is intersecting A from here, intersecting. B is intersecting here, C is intersecting here, D is intersecting E and F. All the points we got. Now we'll join with the dark line A to B, D to E. With the dark line you have to join only lamina and hexagons. Other lines should be construction lines, that is projector lines. With thin lines you have to draw. Now this is the second position when the lamina is inclined to HP at an angle of 45 degree. Now third position, what they have given? The side on which it rests. This is the side on which it rests, which is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. So we will draw 30 degree line. So we will mark here and we will draw 30 degree line from that point. So don't take any errors. From that point take 30 degree lines. So extend this line, thin line, and this is 30-degree line. So mark A point. So mark A point on this because the resting edge is inclined at an angle of 30 degree it is given. So mark A point, then take the divider, take distance from A to B. So this distance you have to take, A to B distance. So this distance you have to take, and then cut that distance by keeping at A point on 30 degree. Right, now we will get B point. From both the point we should take 90 degree, because another 2 point will get very easily if you take 90 degree from this point. So from that point 90 degree, next from this point, just join these 2 points. How much required? Only that much only you have to draw. And then take your divider, cut the distances by B to D. So B and D are in the same line. So because of that 90 degree length is there. So this distance you have to take and cut that line. So it is larger, so we'll extend it. So another 2 points we'll get, that is D point and E point. Now another 2 points we'll take with the divider. So take the distance from C to B. So you can take this distance, this all are same. So by keeping at E point I will draw arc. By keeping at D point we'll draw arc. And by keeping at B point we'll draw arc. By keeping at A point we'll draw arc. By keeping at B point we'll draw arc. Then join these points, we'll get C point, F point. Make other lines also dark, that is A to B and B to D. So this is what the resting edge is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. This is how you have to draw. The construction is very easy. Now we'll draw the projector from either side. So we'll take parallel to XY line. From C and A, then from D and E. So give the arrow marks for that. Then we'll draw projectors from these points. From C point till it intersects C, and then B point till it intersects B point, then D point, D point intersect D is intersecting here, and then A point, A is intersecting on XY line, then E point, E is intersecting, and F point, so now we got all the points. Give the arrow mark for all the points. So C dash, F dash we got, D point, D dash, E point, E dash, right? D and E coming from here, C and F are coming from here. So B is here, B dash, A is here, A dash. Now we join all the points with the dark lines. That is B to C, C to D, then D to E with the dark line, E to F, then A to F, then A to B. So this is how to draw when an edge is inclined in the third position at an angle of 30 degree and resting on one of its edge.